Oh, are we going?
Get better talent.
Hey, everybody.
Welcome to final draft picks, whatever you want to call it. We're draft picks. We're talking about beers today.
He can't remember the name of his own blog.
Is it a blog?
We get a few more followers. It's a blog.
Okay.
Right now, it's just you and me making a video.
Yes. Thank you for it. We're going to be talking about Belching Beaver's beers because they brought over 5 delicious beers. But we're going to talk about the top 4. So the first one, I'm sure everybody's seen this at the store. It's Miso Honey Blonde Ale. So it's a nice
honey blonde, so similar to an 805 right now, realm of a style of beer.
Super light.
Drinking good for a nice hot summer day like this. So cheers.
This and the rest of this week and probably the rest of summer.
Lead dog tasting that. It's like a lighter version of this.
Clean, crisp, a little honey malt note to it. I don't know if they actually put honey in it.
I got no honey, but still good. But that's just me.
I think it's delicious. It's easy drinking. It is only 5.5%, so you can drink a couple cans of these.
I know, because I did it Friday night.
Good time?
Yeah, I felt good at the time.
Oh. Yeah. So it was good at the
next day wasn't fun.
The next one is going to be the Phantom Bride.
Named in honor of the Deftones, which is playing in the background right now.
Deftone Phantom Bride IPA. It's a great beer that they've been making out for like 2 to 3 years.
It's been about that long. I've only ever had it in can until we put it on tap here.
I've only seen it in can actually.
Nice little like citrus flavor.
Cheers.
Nice and light, like a San Diego style is what I'd call it.
San Diego style.
Some nice light body, but still good hop character to it.
Is there like a San Francisco style?
I don't know.
I'll
go there.
It's a good body. It's not. It has a nice little bitterness bite to it.
Sorry, we're being distracted.
We're working live. It's a good citrusy beer with a little dankness, a little pine, nice bitter note to it, and it's nice and clear. It comes in at about 7%, so it's good for mowing lawn still.
You can say hi, Danielle.
Oh, hi. Sorry. I didn't know if I was allowed to talk or if
You're allowed to talk. We'll allow it.
We're allowed to talk. You can still talk. So the next one is going to be a Hop Highway IPA. It's also like a 7% IPA. It's nice and clear. Much more clear than the...
I'm just going to drink this one.
Thanks for the video production.
I just like that one, so I'm just going to drink it. That's kind of their flagship standard IPA. It's available everywhere.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever had it before.
No?
No.
Yeah. It's nice, just straight, easy West Coast.
I think it's more clean than the Phantom Bride.
Yeah, a lot pineier, a little heavier on the hop than the Phantom Bride. Kind of throwback to the old school style.
Like 2000 IPAs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Man, you are so good at talking. Good co-host here. The next one is Phantom Bride. Not Phantom.
This is the peanut butter Mexican hot chocolate.
Yeah. So if you like peanut butter stouts,
that was a lot of words.
And you like Mexican certain flavors, like a little roasty note. I don't know. He says
I get coffee out of it. Brent gets cinnamon.
I get a little cinnamon, maybe a little nutmeg, kind of like roasted peanuts.
I don't remember what a nutmeg is.
It's like a nut and
meg.
It's a seasonal nut. I don't know. But if you like stouts,
sorry, video piece. I'm still working here. So.
No. If you like stouts and you like a little bit of peanut butter in the roast note, like if you like Lead Dog's peanut butter stout, imagine that with like a little bit more roast note.
See, it's funny today.
A little bit sweeter too.
Today I actually get the cinnamon. I wasn't getting it the other day.
See, is this?
It tastes like Christmas.
This is also 7.1 or 7.5%. So I know it's probably more like a winter style beer they'd get, but you know.
They don't have winter. They don't have winter in San Diego, so they got to make do.
Oh yeah, that's true. We have winters here, but
never ending.
It's a delicious beer.
That sounds painful. That sounds like a lot of flavor.
If you want something that's just not your average peanut butter stout, get this one. This one's gonna have a little bit more sweetness to it, a little bit more cinnamon. I don't get a chili or anything that you might get, but
getting that wire cage job.
Anybody else coming up? Anybody taking on the taps today or this week?
Not this week. The next one I think is going to be the Depot, and that's going to be in August.
Oh, the Depot. So
local brewery here in town. Good barrel aged series.
Good food.
Very good whiskey. Unfortunately, we don't sell that one here.
Yeah. Our taps are always changing. If you ever follow us on Untapped, or if you follow us on Facebook or Instagram, taps are always changing. Beer's always coming in. We're always killing kegs every week. So please come in. You're always going to find something new. If you haven't had Imbibes malt liquor, you should try it. It's delicious.
It is. It should be getting ready to go. So that one's not gonna last much longer.
And we do happy hour from 3 to 6, $2 off your pints, and then trivia on Thursday. So please come on by. Have a good one.